So we have been looking to introduce EVs for our operations for a number of years. We found that a lot of manufacturers were offering left-hand drive versions for Europe, but there was nothing available for the Irish-UK market. Now, we did look at all the available options, and between dealer location and infrastructure, we found that Volvo offered the best product. Its availability suited our needs as well. So we found Irish commercials helpful. They had a dedicated salesman who had extensive knowledge on EVs, whereas a lot of the other manufacturers, they wouldn't have had the same level of expertise with EV trucks for the Irish market. They'd done a site visit and they looked at our routes and they'd done the simulator and they advised the battery capacity we would need for the range required. So for the electric truck we're using for final mile deliveries for a contract logistics customer here in the city centre. We find with the range the truck has and the routes that we're using, it's best suited and it's removing the emissions from the congestion in the city centre.
I was excited to drive the electric truck. I'd never driven one before, so I was looking forward to trying it out. I wouldn't be in a hurry back to driving diesel trucks. Much quieter driving experience and more pleasant experience in the cab as well. No, I never get range anxiety driving the truck. Yeah, we are pretty comfortable with the distance that we do. We always know that we're going to get there and back. If a driver was offered to drive an electric truck, they're fine to drive. There's no real difference. There's actually more positives than negatives in driving them.
The biggest aspect of the truck has been how seamless it has fitted into the operation. We thought we would see a lot of barriers and challenges, but with the support of Irish Commercials, the dealer, we've foreseen a lot of these issues. It has worked well, so that has been the biggest surprise really, that it's worked so seamlessly. But the driver's app is quite useful with Volvo Connect, so we're able to monitor the range and the battery levels remotely, and any issues we have them in real time. So we've had a number of requests from customers to introduce EVs to our fleet, and one of the things that came up on that was the cost of the vehicle. So we've been very lucky with the customers we have, and they appreciate the costs involved, and their goals are aligned with ours now to reduce emissions and keep transport green and clean.